Ever feel like you're stuck in a loop? You want to be consistent. You want to build, create, achieve. But every single day, something just drags you down. That invisible force. It's often not an outside enemy, but quiet, insidious habits you probably don't even realize you're doing. They're sabotaging your discipline, one small moment at a time. Today, we're exposing the 5 habits that kill your discipline every day. We'll break them down, and more importantly, we'll show you how to break free. Let's dive in. First up, the endless scroll. You pick up your phone for just a second to check a notification. An hour later, you're deep in a rabbit hole of cat videos and influencer drama. This isn't just about wasted time. It fragments your focus, trains your brain for constant distraction, and kills any momentum before it even starts. Your creative flow, your deep work, gone. The fix: digital power hours. Designate specific blocks of time, say the first 90 minutes of your workday, where your phone is on airplane mode, out of sight. No notifications, no quick checks. Train your brain to focus on creation, not consumption. First thing. Next, the snooze button slave. You hit snooze once, twice, 5 times. It feels good for a moment, right? But what you're really doing is telling yourself, right from the start of the day, that you're not in control. You're starting with a small failure, eroding your willpower before your feet even hit the floor. This sets a tone of passive reaction, not proactive discipline. The fix: the alarm gambit. Don't just place your alarm across the room. Make sure it requires you to do something when you get to it. Glass of water, quick stretch, or put on your workout clothes. Break the snooze habit by making getting out of bed the only option. Habit number 3, the perpetual planner who never fires the action igniter. You've got the perfect calendar, the most detailed project breakdown, 20 different apps for organization. But when it's time to start, you freeze. This isn't discipline. It's procrastination disguised as productivity. Over-planning without action creates a mental block, making the task seem insurmountable. The fix: the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Don't add it to a list. For bigger projects, break them down into steps so small they feel like they take 2 minutes. Open document. Write 1 sentence. The goal is simply to start and build momentum. Next up, digital clutter and open loops. Your desktop is a jungle, your inbox an apocalypse, and your browser has 30 tabs open. Each unfinished email, each half-researched article, each unsaved file represents an open loop in your brain. These consume mental energy, create subconscious stress, and drain the cognitive resources you need for focused discipline. It's mental baggage. The fix: the one-touch system. For emails, files, and small tasks, touch it once, action it, file it, or delete it immediately. Don't let things sit until later. Declutter your digital and physical space regularly. A clear environment equals a clear mind, ready for disciplined action. Finally, the instant gratification trap. This is the big one. When a task gets tough, when boredom hits, when discomfort arises, our modern world offers an immediate escape. A quick scroll, a snack, a new show. We're conditioned to avoid any friction. But true discipline, true growth, lives in that discomfort. Constantly choosing the easy path prevents you from developing the mental fortitude needed to stick with hard things. The fix: embrace the grind. Intentionally seek out discomfort. When you feel the urge to escape a challenging task, lean into it for just 5 more minutes. Remind yourself of your long-term vision. Discipline isn't about never feeling the pull of temptation. It's about choosing the harder, more rewarding path again and again. Start small. Pick just one habit from this list and apply its fix today. Consistency isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, even when it's hard. Own your mornings, protect your focus, ignite your action, clear your mind, and choose discomfort for growth. Your future self will thank you.